Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews. Here at Rome Tech, we're taking a close look at Hummingbird Loan's Express Loan service. For your convenience, we've included direct links to their website in the description below. In this review, we'll break down the key features, discuss who this service is best suited for, and share our overall user experience so you have all the information you need. Hummingbird Loan specializes in providing express loans specifically designed for individuals needing quick access to funds for unexpected expenses. Loan amounts typically range from $100 to $5,000, making them suitable for covering urgent costs such as medical bills, car repairs, or other unforeseen emergencies. Their intuitive online platform makes applying for a loan a breeze. Borrowers can expect rapid application processing, near-instantaneous approval decisions, and access to the funds often as quickly as the next business day. This speed and efficiency make Hummingbird Loans a particularly attractive option for those prioritizing a quick and straightforward borrowing experience. A key differentiator for Hummingbird Loans is their flexible qualification criteria. Unlike traditional lenders who heavily weigh credit scores, Hummingbird Loans adopts a more accommodating approach. They assess your repayment capacity based on your current financial situation, not solely on your credit history. This broader perspective allows them to serve a wider range of borrowers, including individuals who might have been rejected by traditional banks. Transparency is another area where Hummingbird Loans excels. They provide clear and concise terms and conditions, ensuring borrowers are fully aware of all fees and interest rates before committing to a loan. This upfront approach eliminates any potential surprises. Furthermore, their repayment plans are designed with flexibility in mind, allowing borrowers to select schedules that align with their individual income cycles. This customizable repayment structure helps borrowers manage their finances effectively and minimizes the risk of financial strain. Customer support is also a strong suit for Hummingbird Loans. Their dedicated team is readily available to assist borrowers throughout the application process, answer any questions, and clarify loan terms. This commitment to customer service ensures a smooth and stress-free borrowing experience. In conclusion, Hummingbird Loans presents a reliable financial solution for those seeking quick, accessible, and transparent financial assistance. Whether you're facing an urgent financial need or simply require a short-term financial bridge, their streamlined process and borrower-centric approach make them a compelling option. For more details or to begin the application process, visit the links provided in the description below.